Alright, let's do a room tour. And full disclosure, I already spent 2 nights in this hotel and it's been great so far. Great service, great amenities, but I was kind of tired when I first came here and then I was busy, tired again, and I just got back from a good day of exploring Vienna. Started the movie The Third Man today that took place here, and I just got, and when I came back, I took a shower too. That was about an hour ago, so it's about 7:30, 7:40 now. The sun's just about to set, so I'll give you a tour. Here's the door you walk in. This whole room is a jazz theme room. Actually, the whole hotel is. It's called Jaz In The City. So it's a theme boutique hotel. Even here on the out thing says do not disturb, turn down volume down. And then the other side it says clean it up, off exploring Vienna is calling. Jaz In The City. Right, hotel safe, facial tissue. Got some cups here. These are some fries for me. I wish I had yesterday and left a note to the cleaning person to keep them for me. So yeah, they do their job here cleaning up. But something that I did was if you can save like 10 euros a day, I believe it is in this hotel, if you ask them not to clean your sheets or towels. They will make your beds and fold your towels, but they won't clean them and if you ask them to, and you'll save $10. I mean 10 euros, and the part of that is to save energy, be green, which is pretty cool. So yeah, got nice amenities here. Coffee, little cups here, big cups, machine. You got the water here to put it into. The kettle. Cooler here. Now I bought myself the wine at this little at this market. Well, it's not a little market. It's actually a chain here in Austria, but they have stuff all around. Nice European market. So I bought this wine and these two juices here. Same thing with the sandwich. That's gonna be my dinner for tonight. By the way, all that stuff here cost me only 13 euros. However, the water here, what I found in the cooler here, the refrigerator when I came, I asked the person at the front desk, the concierge, if that's complimentary. And she just said, yeah. And she smiled at me and said, I'm like, really? She's like, yeah. Which isn't something you get in the US, because in the mini bar in the US, they charge you a lot. But as we know from class, they make very little money on it. So yeah, we got that there. Mirror. Over here you have the sink, light switches, or oh, these are outlets. Liquid soap there. I got 2 cups here. One I'm using for drinking, one I'm using to hold my toothpaste. Sink is all very modern here. In this building, which is, I believe, from like the right around the post-war era. So very updated. Toilet here. European light switch, European toilet with the course European flushes for the amount of water you have in there. And less water than they have in the US. So this is the shower here. And it's a very nice shower. It's rain. It's nice and relaxing. I just took a nice cold one because it's hot today. It was like 90 degrees Fahrenheit. And I was walking around the whole city exploring. Went to a museum. So it felt nice. Got the shampoo, shower gel right there, clean up. And you can have the temperature here is all in Celsius, so it is 30, 38, and it goes 20. It'd be quite cold. 38. I believe you can quite go to, yeah, it can go more to up to 50 degrees Celsius, but yeah, I had it on 30 to stay cool. Yep. And you have to turn a bit more to get there. I don't think people here had it really that warm. I'm not sure. Okay. And if you notice, the glass shower can see right out, so if you don't want people looking in, you should close the window too, because you could see right across the street there, especially when it's a bit brighter. It was a bit brighter an hour ago. I took my shower. And it's a curtain here too. And of course, I booked a single room, but was looking on the hotel's website. They have a double room too for either a bed and a sofa or two twin beds, and they have a bathtub for that one. And like that, they also have it clear glass, so you can look in. So at your family members, I guess you gotta be like a very close family. There are a couple of families staying at this hotel. I did see them when I was in the lobby, both today and a lot yesterday too. But then again, it's Europe, and I guess people are more relaxed when it comes to nudity and that type of thing around the family here than they are in the U.S. And I certain right now by hearing people in the lifts and in the lobby and in the hotel bar upstairs that I'm pretty sure I'm the only American here right now. I don't know if that's true, but it seems that way. So yeah, this is where you hang up the stuff here. Coat rack. I got my leather jacket there, which I wore on the plane. My shoes. I try to be neat as I can be. There you go. Got the TV here. The lights around, you can either adjustable. Now, keeping up with the music theme, there's a record player here, which is pretty neat. And with the record player, they have records downstairs that you can just borrow for free. The whole lobby has vinyl around the walls, and they have milk crates of it. And you're welcome to take up a vinyl yourself, put it in there, and give it a play, which I did the other day. And they also advertise too that for the television, if I can find the remote control here, so here it is on the end table here, which is like a box. I don't know what it's called. The box that I guess fans use to put equipment around. To turn it on here. Gives you a welcome award. Ace Awards, they own the Jaz In The City. You see the other hotels they have there too, all throughout Europe. And this is nice. So you can view the Rhythms and Bars kitchen, which is a kitchen downstairs, a restaurant downstairs in the lobby, which is open to everyone. You get the hours there and what they serve. Over here it tells you about the drinks at the bar upstairs. It's a nice bar. I was up there 2 nights ago when I first arrived to relax. Bar is open to 1. And the bar is also open to the public as well. It gives you a little information about the hotel itself, about events that they are having at the hotel. They had the silent disco the other day. I tried to go to that, but because of their I was there like an hour after it started. And if you're in the hotel, you don't have to wait in the bouncer line. Anyone can just go up to the rooftop and join it. You don't have to pay for the events either, like you do if you were part of the public. But excuse me, because the fire code, I couldn't go up right away, so I was sadly declined. But that's okay. But it would have been nice to do something that a lot of the locals are doing. They went down to the lobby, and you started a line of people waiting to get in. Return. About the hotel. It's there, and if you, it's all in German there. And they talk about their social responsibility too from their corporation, which is pretty cool. Now, you go over here to screen monitoring. I did this the other day. Yeah, you can tell you here how to hook up your device, either a phone or your computer to the screen monitor here so you can watch Netflix or Hulu, Disney Plus, what have you, which is pretty cool. And of course, you got your standard TV here. Little infomercial looks like for Ace Awards, but we see we have here. It's like a commercial. I don't know if this is a drama or a sitcom. Might be a dramedy. The news, I'm guessing, is 7:54 right now. Right, so there's the TV, and also they have speakers. One there, and the headboard looks like a record. Lights over here. Now, the one thing this thing does not have, which I wish it did, I wish it had places like USB ports to charge your phone. I bought myself an adapter here, universal adapter from Amazon. But all in all, it's pretty good. View from outside, the sun is setting now. See, there's a building down there. And where the hotel is located, it's kind of in like a neighborhood, but it's not too far from the touristy area, it's but it doesn't feel that way. So it feels more quiet, more local. About an hour ago, there you did see a lot of people walking on the street, commuting home, I guess, from the office or from dinner. A block down that way, there, right behind this building, are a lot of restaurants. So there's tons of restaurants right down there. And I'm sure if you go down right now, you'll find people there eating too. I don't know what that globe is up there. I might ask someone downstairs. Everyone here is super friendly. I went to ride the Fairfield today from the Third Man, and I got there first thing this morning at around, let's say, like 9:15 when they opened at 9, and the gentleman with about his 20s working at the front desk was very friendly to me, and he told me how to navigate the public transportation system. He told me where the nearest train station is, which is a block that way, not train station, but subway station. And he said, just take 3 stops this way, off this stop, get off the other stop, and go on this one. And yeah, it was very easy to navigate, and there's signs all around pointing you what platform to go to. And it took about 10 minutes to get there by subway because it would have taken an hour to walk. So yes, they're very helpful here too, and it's great service here. They even left me a note, which I put in my bag already, which is on the nightstand there, that says a personalized handwritten note that said, "Welcome, Josh, to the Jaz in the City. If there's anything you need to know, let us know. We're here 24/7 for you," which is very kind and shows great hospitality. All right, so that's the room. Ceiling, very concrete look. There's a yoga mat there. And a light. So yeah, that's a room tour. I hope you enjoy.